Welcome everybody to a new episode of Tradomics focused on Abbvie. This is a short update regarding the status and the setup of the stock. As we were saying during the last analysis that the setup or the chart setup was really interesting for Abbvie. It was interesting and it still is, and even more interesting because from this low we had a strong push back to the upside, and now with the market reveals that this first impulse was just the beginning of a second one here. And we had also enough time, so 231 bars, which is a median duration between 190 and 338 bars, to actually start a new T plus 5. Also, when we look at the reversals cycles, from this top, we were defining the T plus 5 yearly upward cycle that was divided in the first monthly upward cycle, the second monthly upward cycle that's started here with this top, and now we have the third one. So let's update the chart and let's see more in detail what has happened and what we can forecast um, for the price direction in the next months. So here we can put a T plus 5, so new yearly downward cycle. We have had the first downward cycle that ended up with this low on the 2nd of July 2024. So this is a T plus 1. It's truly a T plus 1 H because T plus 1 H is 23 bars, so T plus 1 hybrid. And the first monthly downward cycle that was closed here with this low after the earnings release at 38 bars. So here we can put the new T plus 2 and look exactly to what happened. So thanks to the triggering of the earnings release, from a cycle perspective, here we had the possibility to close a T plus 2 because we had 1, 2, 3, 4 bars ended up with a low that was encompassing the minimum, the lowest point of the latest 3 bars. So we had a T minus 1 that was completing the closing of a T plus 2, and now we have a new T plus 2. So basically, with the earnings at the opening, they pushed the price of the funds, or HFT pushed the price back down um, to break up this low at $172, and then a strong push back to the upside. So they closed the T plus 2, and now there is a new T plus 2 on the edge. And this push back to the upside was violating, and broke up this top at $179.55. So basically, the interesting point, and that this is why we now have a setup that is even more interesting, is that we have a reversal yearly cycle that now is binded to the upside because this break area occurred after 92 bars. So given that this is a T plus 5, 92 bars, we still have 98 days, and I repeat, 98 days at least, in which the price can continue to proceed further to the upside and can continue the rally. So in a nutshell, we can expect Abbvie's price to climb at least until 10th of December 2024. So basically until the end of the year, because now the situation is this one, which is a similar situation to what happened in this cycle. So 25 of April 2023, where we had the break area here, 10 of January, and this one occurred after 180 days. So back in time, we had 10 days more for the upside, 10 days to the upside as a minimum duration or to the safe area to open a long position. But in this case, we have definitely many more days in which the price can continue to the upside. Okay, so that's the update on Abbvie. So the setup is looking definitely interesting. And of course, we will have some retracement periods to start a T+3 or a T+4, but then we will see then the price to coming back to the tops. That's the situation so far on the stock. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to put a like, please feel free to do so, or subscribe to our channel for the latest analysis. Thanks for watching and see you to the next episode.